Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's really hard now. And everything is all set, functioning properly. And so now I'm going to show you how to do the detailing of it. So you want to have it closed, well, like closed perfectly shut. And then you want to take any kind of color marker, it's white, and just draw whatever you pretty much feel like. So you want to just stir it in. So, you know, keep showing on it. It's a cool sign. I don't believe in that. I feel. And then you can have like little like lines, color lines and stuff. But most of the time you want to have it like a cooler one, as if you make a V on each one, and then when you have it like this, and if you have it something like this, and one more. So now it's like an X kind of thing. I'm going to put it up one too. That's about it. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and don't forget about Air Fox USA Brawl. His link to be on the description, which is probably